This is a plant holder I made for my wife, an early drawing of it, drawing of the 4 feet that I would be using. On the left, you'll see a blank and 2 of the feet. I made the feet from an extra 2x12 that I had after making steps for my shop. I carved holes in the 4x4, and then these are the feet as I made them and the lengths. Here you can see I added 2 of the feet and got ready for the third. I drilled holes and screwed them in from the bottoms and then glued them from the tops to make sure they were sturdy, and then stained it. I had a woodcut laying around that I'd saved for this, so I stained it and sealed it, and that's the bottom, which I also stained and sealed. Then these are pieces that I got from an old trunk, and so I set the position of them, made sure I liked it, and then nailed them in, made sure that everything was level. For the birdhouse, I wanted to put blanks on the board so that it would sit in place. This is the birdhouse that I made years ago just for this. It was supposed to be a working water wheel, but I couldn't figure out how to make it cascade properly, so I gave up on that. And the birdhouse is fake. The holes have wood blanks and behind them, and where the water used to cascade out, I blocked that off. Then the pot holders, as you can see here, this is an idea that about 20 years ago we saw at a home show, and I thought I could remake those, so I made them out of wood instead of metal. Um, the idea was that they were able to hold the pots. These are readily available on the market today, but back then they were kind of unique. This would have been, again, mid to late 90s, late 80s maybe even. All of these things have been sitting around for quite some time. Uh, Due to my health reasons, I had quit doing all this stuff for some time. I'd been trying to figure out how to attach them to the 4x4, and this was one of my early ideas. But I decided to go with something a lot thicker, which was 2x12. Um, and again, so here you can see that they're just blanks inside there. I didn't want bees inside it. Uh, and as a working water wheel, it was going to cascade down from one planter to the next. Um, so I have all the parts for doing that, but I just couldn't figure out how to get it to go from one pot to the next and get it to wrap around the 4x4. And so I kind of gave up on it for some time. The birdhouse has been sitting in my shop for 15 to 20 years. And I finally just decided to bag that idea and not do any of that and just do a planter. So inside where the water would have come out, I had to put some wood in there to keep the bees from going in. I've had problems in the past with birdhouses I've made uh, getting bumblebees in there, and they fill them with moss for some reason. I guess they make their nests out of moss. And then I was trying to decide where to put all of the pots. And I'm in Texas. It's downright hot some days, so I have a fan going all the time, which is why everything is blowing around. Sorry, everything's sideways. I will use my camera next time rather than my phone to do one of these. Anyway, so here's one of the new pot holders. I cut them out, countersunk a hole in the middle to put the screws into the 4x4 and hold the pots in place. And there's kind of the progression. And the wood is reclaimed from old pallets. So once I got everything where I wanted it to be, um, decided to do a color selection for my wife on the pots, and this are the colors she chose. And there's the finished piece.